Okay, now here's a much bigger size of the bag. This is Sumdex Impulse. And the price. Here's the price. There it goes. Now here's how to backpack style. Wala nang lock to, no? Okay, let's see the compartment. Here, it could fit my kind of video, my i8 video, even the first model and second model. DSLR with lens could also fit in here. Okay. Another compartment inside. Okay. And right here. Here's the real deal. Could almost fit my 2 cameras inside. Camera with lens, flash here, flash, and bigger lens 24-70, and another compartment for the body. Here is a much roomy. Also for your laptop, size 14-15. Here. Okay. How much? This is 3,950, while the smaller one is 2,650. Okay, sign off.